Hey there, I'm Chef Ani. I have a very special aunt and uncle in Arkansas. And just a few weeks ago, they were up here visiting. And Uncle Tom was telling me how he makes cabbage steaks and how amazing they are. So he told me that I should try to make them. And you know what? I did make them and they were absolutely phenomenal. There's something about roasting the cabbage that just changes the flavor of it into something amazing. Last week I was at a convention and I even met some of you. But one of the things that many of you told me is that you want to see really easy recipes. And you can't get much easier than this one today. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we first want to get rid of all the rough looking layers. Chopping off this end piece, but you can see that the cabbage is still intact and it will now sit better on my cutting board. I'm just going to oil the pan. So I've now rinsed our cabbage and we are ready to slice it. Now the easiest way to season this is to just sprinkle these with a little oil and salt, but I really like to add garlic to this. This one doesn't look very happy. I'm just going to crush a little garlic, a little bit of olive oil. Now we have this beautiful garlic oil and we're just going to brush it on our cauliflower steaks. Oh, come on, doesn't that look amazing? And if you don't like garlic, you don't have to do the garlic part. This is where you can get really creative with it. You can put any kind of seasoning on here. My Uncle Tom was telling me that he puts all sorts of seasoning on his. So you just go to town and do whatever makes you happy. Some people like to put lemon on it, so there you go. Lemon sounds good to me. Now we just sprinkle with some salt, and believe it or not, these are ready to be put in the oven to bake. It takes less than 10 minutes prep time, and just wait till you see the final product. Wow, doesn't this look amazing? Thank you, Uncle Tom, for inspiring me to try this recipe. I absolutely loved it. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video. There's a bug in there.